Hello, my name is Ziv Shalom from the company Protaste Drinks. Our company makes drinks with your private label. So we make it and you name it. We can also create your own drink with your own recipe. Going through the R&D for your special product means packaging and ingredients, then replying you back with a sharp quotation. Actually, you name it, we make it. All our product made of a high quality in all terms, ingredients, packaging, and delivery. However, our prices are most competitive and flexible. Protaste Drinks always updating a new product to fit to the market demand. Our concept is suitable for bars, cafes, trade shows, and even to the private sector as wedding events, birthday parties, and so on. Would you like to start? All you need to do is visit our website at www.protaste-drinks.com. Choose a product that you like to have, send us an email with the product details that you see on our website and attach your logo. Our email address is info@protaste-drinks.com. We make your drink come true. If you like our concept, please put your thumb up and like this video. We hope to hear from you soon, and thanks for watching.